folks, so check out the new package I got here from Keco Body Repair Products. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, show you guys kind of what I ended up getting. While I'm doing that, I am Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. I'm a local paintless dent repair technician in the Sioux Falls area, and I do, I don't know, I nerd out about this kind of stuff, so that's why I shoot videos on me opening toolboxes, so, which is pretty funny. So anyways, we're going to go and get this box opened here from Keco, and I want to give a shout out to my boy Danny and Chris over at Keco and all the whole rest of the crew for getting me set up with one of these. Danny walked me through the entire process on how to use this tool, but we're going to go ahead and talk to you a little bit about it. So we've got a bunch of goodies here. I'm going to go ahead and separate all this stuff and get it out of the box. Woo, doggy, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so this is the lateral tension setup. This is the version 2. This is brand new. Obviously, it's in black now instead of the traditional Keco style blue, like these kind of things here. So this actually, I saw this actually on Gene Fetty's presentation about glue pulling. I didn't know that they had a Gen 2 out. I saw that, fell in love when I need to just make the jump and get one of these bad boys. So talk to Danny. I actually was going to get the longer one, which is, I don't know, probably about that long. Basically, after kind of going through the presentation with Danny and stuff like that, I'm like, man, I don't really think I need that big of one. So I'm excited to get to use this now. And what this does, so this is a lateral tension setup. And what this does is it basically, I don't know how I'm going to set this up. But anyways, basically what it does is it allows you to spread the dent out in order to get, remove the lateral tension on it. I'll show it in another video for all you guys that are not really 100% familiar with that. But one thing that is nice on this setup is it comes with everything you need to go ahead and do the, all the glue tabs, all the different types of things and stuff like that to go ahead and do this. So again, Danny was real nice to be able to walk me through the entire process on using all this stuff. And I am really excited to get to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and get some of these open. Perfect. Oh, look at that. They even sent me a cool guy sticker. That's what I'm talking about. Alrighty, so got multiple different glue tabs that we can glue on here. I do like the fact of, I didn't notice in the demonstration, but it says do not glue. So what that means is on these tension, these are the strap style pieces that they've got. They want you to put glue here only, not here. So it's basically going to not cause any collateral damage when you're lateral tensioning and pulling out a dent like sometimes back in the day we used to have. And then this was another thing that I wasn't aware that they made, but this is a piece to put on the edge of the panel to actually pull even further out. So very excited to get to use all this stuff. One thing Danny also showed me is, so for example, if you're trying to go over a body line, typically we're going to do lateral tension sometimes over a body line. You can actually heat this up with a heat gun and bend it. So I'm not going to be able to do it right here, but you could basically flex this to form it around a body line. So that was another really big key component. I was already sold on it, but he just basically talked me into just like, wow, I didn't even know that was an option. So again, thank you so much, Danny, for the chat and getting to chat with you about that kind of stuff. I do love that the fact of it also does include a handle, so you can actually stick this on here and rotate it, but also you can hook it to a drill here directly. So you can actually just sit there and then go. So one thing also I wasn't aware of until seeing these was these little puck things. So I was like, well, what the heck are these for? Well, it's made so if you rotate this onto the panel, these are going to stop it from hitting the painted surface. So a good protection piece right there. Very good idea from them guys there. So again, I'm really excited to get to use this tool. I did talk a little bit about the other tools I picked up at the Mobile Tech Expo, but this is just one that just showed up, and really excited to get to use this. So I'll keep you guys tuned the next time I do get to use it, because I will definitely be making a video of it. But I'm really excited for this. Thanks to the Keco team for getting me hooked up with this, and we'll see you guys on the next video.